Hey everybody, I'm here with Sydney, who plays fiddle and sings in the band, and we were just talking about 90s country and how there's a particular song out right now that we love so much because it just hits all the feels and vibes of 90s country. Not only that, but it reminds me of a song that I recorded on my very first album in 1995. Man, it really takes me back. I wonder if you can guess what song I might be talking about from that album after you hear this. She's from Texas, I can tell by the way he's 2-step around the room. Judging from the smile that's written on his face, there's nothing I can do. It doesn't take a crystal ball to see our cowboy almost turns and where to lead, making jack all by myself. Texas, I